This tutorial video will be taking you through the ability to copy a link and share it directly with people in your team through Teams or Zoom or any other platform that you would like to add that link to. Please note it is important first to go to the share pop-up on the page that you want to share the link with, and make sure that the people that you want to view the link have the ability to either read only or editing rights. So as you can see here for the page Collaborative Workspace, if I share the link on another group, Morgan and Cameron will only be able to access this link. If I have shared the link and people do not have access to the application or to the page, they will see a message that they do not have the permission to access the page. So I first need to share access, either read only or editing rights, and those members then will able to select the link and go onto the page directly. If the member is not on StratPilot, they will first have to log in and then they're able to access that page. But if they do have StratPilot open, then they'll be able to access the page directly. I'll show an example of this process. There are two different ways to copy a link. The first one being the copy link button. I select the copy link button. As you can see, the URL has been copied successfully. Alternatively, each page will have their own unique URL, as well as a subpage will have their own unique URL, and I'm simply able to select the URL, copy that, and paste it in wherever I'd like. So I have copied the link. I'm just going to add on quickly to a page. I simply paste that link in, and if those users that now have that link, they simply select on the link. It will then open, and as you can see, that member who has access will go onto the page directly, making it a lot easier for a user to immediately go onto the document and collaborate or view that document immediately. This tutorial video, as stated, was on copying a link ability, to copy a link into any other platform or onto any document, and then that member who has access through the Share pop-up will be able to access that page directly.